Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Sunflare stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 double crochet into that same chain with the half double crochet you just made. Now you're going to skip 1 chain, and into this next chain you're going to do the same thing, 1 half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into that chain together. Same thing, skip a chain, into this next chain, make a half double crochet, and then a double crochet into that same chain all together. You're now going to repeat this sequence until you have 2 chains left in your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 chains left. You're going to skip 1 chain, and then into the last chain of your row, you're going to make 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. We're now going to start repeating the sequence of row 1, but we're going to be skipping stitches instead of chains. So you're going to skip 1 stitch. Into this next stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet, and then a double crochet in that same stitch together. Same thing, skip a stitch. Into this next one, make a half double crochet, and then a double crochet together in that stitch. And now you're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Sunflare stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.